Let's talk about Stalker, the LowLevelFatalError fix. Graphics crash in a simple, then calm way. We'll go step by step.
But take a deep breath. Relief is on the horizon. We're diving deep into the zone's darkest corners to unearth the most effective troubleshooting steps and solutions. Get ready to banish that LowLevelFatalError and reclaim your journey through the perilous world of Stalker. Seriously, before you do anything else, make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. Outdated or corrupted drivers are a notorious culprit for those dreaded LowLevelFatalError crashes, especially with new demanding titles like Stalker. Head to NVIDIA's or AMD's official site, grab the latest stable version, then give your system a much-needed refresh. This simple step can often be the silver bullet you're looking for. If your drivers are pristine and the crash persists, it's time to check the integrity of your game files. Sometimes during download or installation, a critical file can get corrupted or go missing. Most launchers like Steam or Epic Games have a built-in Verify Game Files option that scans for and repairs any discrepancies. It's like giving your Stalker installation a thorough health checkup.
Stalker is a visually stunning game, but sometimes your hardware might be trying to bite off more than it can chew. If you're pushing ultra settings, try dialing back some of the more demanding options like shadow quality, texture resolution, or anti-aliasing. A LowLevelFatalError can often indicate your GPU is being overwhelmed, so reducing the graphical load can provide the stability you need to venture deeper into the zone. Don't overlook your operating system and DirectX versions. Ensure your Windows installation is fully up to date, as Microsoft often releases critical patches that can improve game compatibility and performance. Equally important, verify that you have the latest version of DirectX installed and correctly configured for Stalker. These underlying system components are crucial for modern game stability and can be the silent cause of frustrating crashes.